This is Eric with Mother.com. It is for April 5th, 2019. We're going to be taking a look at a follow-up video on one I did on Dash coin, and this is where it's trading at 134. So let me show you the video I'm talking about. I'm going to link this video from a couple of days in the description of the video. And in this video I was talking about this line, again live trading at 134. I'm going to extend the same line from the previous analysis, and by the way, this is a 4-hourly chart, so 4 hours of data, and I'm going to extend it like that. Now you'll see that this connects to the highs here and here, and as I mentioned in the previous video, this was a breakout entry, turned into uniform activity support, and now this is what I'm getting at. We broke below this level yesterday, which is this warning drop. Now it looks to me like there's a good probability that this line now becomes resistance. If it does, one can anticipate the next move as far as Dashcoin is concerned and cryptos to be down on a short-term basis. Otherwise, if the cryptos are going to move higher, they would need to move and clear this blue line that has been giving us guidance over the last couple of days, going back into around this breakout level here around the 28th of March. So the same line, difference is this time we're extending it, and we are seeing possibility that this time around the line that was support previously could turn into resistance. And again, here's the line one more time. We're either going to get a move above the line to continue the current spike intraday in cryptos, or we stall around here, and installing around here, this is where things stop going higher and we see the cryptos drifting to the downside. Which brings me to another observation, by the way, which is not right now we are seeing many of the cryptos moving higher. For example, we can see Ripple is up about 10-11%, but if Dashcoin is going to stall around here based on the line, then most of these cryptos are going to be pulling back on a hour-to-hour basis. So just keep an eye on things like this. One crypto, one instrument can give guidance into how the entire sector is gonna be behaving. Eric with Mother.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESCS. Yes.